Hey, master, can I come up here? Come on, come up. Come on, come up. Louis, jump up. Jump up. Come on. Come up. Come on. Up, 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 up. Come on. Yeah, there. Come on, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Come on, you can make it. Master, I need a bit of help from your hands. I'm so small. Come on, you can do it. You did it before. You're a great jumper. Come on, come on, come on. This side, this side. Come on, now, hop up. Come on. Oh, you nearly did it. Yeah. One more time. Come on. One more time. Louis, come on. Jump, 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 jump. Oh, you're giving up, are you? Oh, don't smell my sore. That's mine, it's not yours. Oh, come on. Luigi, jump up. What are you made of, huh? Come on. Don't stare at me. You like my brown eyes, don't you? Yeah. Now, get the uppy. We got the we've got the skylight in the background. That doesn't really do a good job. No, Louis just pestering me again. Just loves to sit there. Hello, Adam. Your boy, handyman. How are you? Hope you're enjoying your walks and your workout. Like I do in DC, we work out every day. Yeah. Oh, you want me to say that in my voice? Yeah, Adam. Be of good cheer and work hard. And look like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Look at him. If DC could see that, he would think, you're a little bit of a pest. Interfering with the daily work. The little dog didn't like me. I must be too black. Yeah, well, can't be helped, can it? Hello, big man. How are you? My name is Stacy. What's yours? Oh my God, look at Louis. Look at him. Loo. Him! This is coming! Watch out, Stevie. How are you? Good, man. Yeah, I'm watching you. I got you in focus. What sort of dog are you? I've seen you before. You could be my mommy. You've got the size, but not the hair. Too long hair. But boy, you smell beautiful. What's underneath there? Tell me this is also interested. Oh, I get all mad. I'll put your knot on here because then I have to be tied up. What's your name, darling?
My name is Kyle.
Kyle?
Yeah.
Are you a boy?
Yeah.
Then I'm not interested in you. I'm one of those funny dogs that need a female. Come on, Louis. Come on, Daisy, we go. Thank you very much. Bye. You friends. Louis, Daisy. We got new friends here. Say hello. Ask them what they like for dinner. Because we haven't got anything, but we could get something from them. We're hungry. Have you got any rats?
No treats. So.
No rats. Oh well, see you. See you next time. Bring something to eat. Thank you. Daisy, come on. Ira! Daisy, I recognize you! Frosty! How you doing away? Hello, Ira! Ah, you dogs! You're back again, eh? Oh, I like you, little Pippi! Wow, you're great! You're the fastest dog in the universe! Here comes your master! How are you, master?
Yeah, not too bad. How are you?
Yeah, not bad! Ah, little Pippi, you smell great, like vanilla ice cream. Can I lift your face? You have some ice cream left. I know your master feeds you ice cream. Oh, yeah. Yeah, pretty good. You're a little male, aren't you? Fast one, that as well. Yeah, we all love you. Give me some of your ice cream. Come on. Pippi. Hey. Ah, look at that. A dog on such tall legs! You got stilts on! How come? I'm so small! Oh, you're wet! You've been swimming, have you? You've been swimming?
Always.
You've been swimming! Oh, here comes Dizzy. Good boy! Oh, look, what are they doing underneath me?
Well, they keep playing around with it.
Oh, you dogs are dogs! My God, Louis, you go mad!
Is his son not back yet?
Hey?
Is his son not back yet? What's his name?
Gee, don't mean run. She's going. Wow, look at them. You guys are slow. Come on, Louis. Come on, Daisy. Come on. We have to make it right around. What are you sniffing, huh? Just something? Get away with your head. I want to sniff here. That's my territory. It's Pronty's wee that I'm smelling. Pronty was here. The pretty little race hound. Yeah, Pronty, hey? Dizzy, Louis, can you smell Pronty too? Eh? Can you? Nice dog. I like Pronty. Just my size. Looks like a girl. He's one too. I say go steady. It's just what my heart's calling out for. A little bit of refreshment in salt water. Get preserved in salt water. Yeah, Eddie, that's good. You see how I like it. The sun's still up and I feel good. We just arrived here at Holloways Beach. And we're up to something. I don't know what. We'll find out. Yeah, most definitely a wild pig has come past here and shed some weights in the form of pig's blood. Urine. Very strong. Very strong. I don't really appreciate it. But everyone is a pig. Including the pig. Yeah! Yeah, Master, you too! I seen you do things that are called piggish. Yeah, I just sat down while my master Frank sits. He's right there next to that foot. And that's where the beach is, Holloways Beach. Isn't that a straight line, eh? But I don't want to talk about flat earth today. I'm talking about little Strudelwoods. He's up there, up along the beach playing with other dogs. Far away. Isn't that a chatty little sausage? Oh well, each one to his own. I enjoy lying in the sand next to my master. That's what I feel like today. Holloways Beach is usually not that exciting, apart from going into the water, doing a bit of body surfing, and lying in the sand. Look, that's just perfect. My face can rest on the sand. Oh, yeah, lovely. I wish you were here, Eddie. We could both go body surfing. You could show me how to do it and give me a bit of a hint how to get going, because I feel like I could be champion in dog body surfing because I got the long legs, you see. So when you come, we go catamaraning instead, eh? Up to Lake Tinaroo. I'm looking forward to that. Flat earther. Hello, Mr. Frank. How are you? Hello, Master Frank. I'm back again. I've played with the dogs down there for the last 5 minutes. I'm sorry to let you wait. Ah, you're right, aren't you? Ah, good. Where's Dizzy? I want to see Dizzy. Where is he? My mate, Dizzy! Where are you? Ah, come on, Master. Tell me where he is. Is he gonna head to the car park, is he? Well, better have a look myself. Go find out where he's gone. Dizzy! Come on! Oh, well, I'll go with you, mate. Yes, through the woods. Here I am. Why did you scream so madly? Couldn't you see me up here? Well, when you're too low to the ground, there's no other way, is there? That's the disadvantage of having short legs. Through the woods! Let's go home! And go into the other forest, so Master can wait for us. But we have to do it now. You're going the wrong way. Hey, Master. Are we allowed to go into the next forest? No, you're certainly not. Louis, Dizzy, come here. It's Dizzy always leading the way. He wants to go in the next forest. Look, he won't be coming back. Apart in 10 minutes. You know, that sort of timing. Oh, here they are. We'll see you in 10 minutes, Master. In 10 minutes. But just check out the place. Ha-ha. Oh, Master, that was a big run. Did you see me run? You called out, but I didn't come. Yeah. Yeah, did you see Louis? Have you got Louis in the car? Yes, I have. Come on, it's time, huh? It's time to go home. Don't you reckon? Come on. Come on, hop in. Come on, Dizzy. Come on. Hop in. Good boy. Yeah, strange. Yeah, sit down now. Ha ha ha. Got you back. Hi, Louis. How you doing, Louis? Ah, you're good boys. Now it's time to go home, isn't it?